Hi folks, it's Lee Murphy of artbyleemurphy.com, and the person doing all the stuff on this channel, and I'm not even sure I should even be saying that, because if nobody knows by now, there's no point in me saying anyway. Here is another of the before of hopefully we're going to be another successful before and after series of restoring this camper, or rebuilding it, or whatever you want to say. Deciding to tackle the pretty much ubiquitous rust and hideous paint jobs here and try to clean it up and make it safer. I just removed the battery box and that was toast. It's a miracle it did not come off and land in the road on the way home to where it is now. And oddly enough, it was missing one of these things, which is a telescoping stabilizer jack, which goes underneath. There's one right there that is all rusty and nasty and bent, and I don't know what the reasoning is behind Amazon's pricing math, but one of those costs very little less than an entire set of 4, so I decided, well, why not? Paid $10 more and get an entire set of 4 and replace all of these old rusted and busted ones, since there's only 3 and I have 4. And it really would probably help to do that now before I get even farther into working on the interior of the camper, so it makes it a whole lot more stable. So once again, I'm just starting on fixing the rust, and there's what it looks like before I got into it. Well, hopefully this is informative and entertaining, and thank you for watching.